But I don't want to come and speak like it don't pass. I don't accept accountability. I own up my responsibility. I do all of that. And that is why I don't speak on it up till until today. But if you see you come recently and do a video and I talk, say you're still in contact with me. About meeting up at the hotel, yes, we did meet at the hotel. But I can really reach out to you again? You're sick in your mind. Tell the people them the truth. CMR number change. There's no way.
You think he still thinks about you?
Of course. Like, I'm unforgettable. Unforgettable.
My girl, let me tell you this. Because you not get this. You get a fuck and that's it. Nothing more.
He did you dirty. He did you dirty. And I respect you don't want to swallow some shit or whatever, but so I did. So what's the problem? He can't be mad. I know he's not mad at you. He can't be mad at you because
he is mad at me. Girls trying to question me.
Me nah no love it on me heart. Me say me lose it all. Before no judge me no listen me tell it all. A bag of man not touch it. Why my name she go call. My mother tell me say I choose she know my money tall. And every girl will see me them a give me say I feel me. The one that she a breed I say she want to get my Britney. And if me say I lie she a go bring it up to Chrissy.
Alright. Guys, there was never an intention to do a video like this. And as you guys see before, I ignore everything because I come out and take full accountability for my actions. I'm going to move on. In a better place with me and my woman, I'm going to pick them and we all live good. Now tell me why these two degenerates decide say they want to come out and do a video, right? 3 months gone. But because I don't want to build on a platform off of my name, I want to come and tell be lies. And you guys been telling lies now. But you see, because of me mess up, I just leave it at that. But no, I move on now. Me in a better place now. So I'm not going to sit here and allow you to tell more lies just to grow your platform and try to know say we be quiet about it. Well, everybody in the comment section are going to be like, oh, it's serious, him really I do that? Because none of these fools thinking logically when they listen to y'all low life talk. You understand me? So what may I do? May I talk about it? So guys, if you never know, for all out there on my platform, see more what you do. No. Sometimes when they remain silent, it give people consent. It make them feel like, say, yo, it is truth. And most of what them say is the furthest from the truth. Now, I'm not going to sit here and act like some of the things aren't true. Because then I wouldn't be in this situation, I wouldn't be in this spot doing this video right now. Understand me? But at time for me shut it down completely. So that video I shut down completely. I don't care about nothing what they say after this. I not worry about it. But I want my supporters, them with being a support, we know. And you know, blur their mind and what's going on. So guys, they do a video. And in the video they say a few things. I'm gonna address them. For example, Zine, this delusional female, I don't know why she keep on telling y'all that we had a relationship. We never had a relationship. From day one, you knew what it was. You were convenient. I know the string of guys you talk to and the string of females you date. You understand me? I know this. You understand me? So how the hell me feel in my right mind I call you my woman when me know the bugger people them way in your life. You see what I say? You even come to your platform and say it. I tell you, you know what it was from day one. I heard you tell people, oh, I never knew it was my, you know my mind. Come and tell it from day one. Just like you say in the video. I was going to put you on YouTube and do video with you. I'm crazy. Any video, any collaboration with the Carter name involve my wife. So that's the next lie. And then when you do so bomb now, Zine, and you tell the people them that we were in a relationship. When we know it wasn't that. Now, you tell them also that after the situation, we still in contact.
You still text him, Martin?
I can't disclose that right now.
Nah, bro, you gotta answer. You gotta answer. It's hot seat. You gotta answer.
Well, we was texting after the whole altercation.
You're delusional. I don't even remember you. May have a new phone number. You don't have that. You also go ahead and tell the people them say when me drop my wife in Miami the other day, I come see you. You want that. A wishful thinking that. So people, me just want to clear them there. You understand me? And these are things that she said that just happened after the fact that they exposed me. So I don't want you to paint that picture just to grow your platform, because you have multiple other people you could speak on. Because you've said it in video. Oh, me used to date the artist here. Me used to date the vlogger there. Speak on them man the name and get clout then. Don't use my name anymore. You already did what you're supposed to do. Oh, I don't want to speak on his wife. You've been a talk on my wife. Because you don't have nothing to say. Me and you, no consult about nothing about woman. First of all, you're not in the capacity there for me to sit down and reason about nothing. For you even say, oh, he said this to me. My girl, you're delusional. You understand me? So, me have to really wonder. All right, you continue and your state say, listen, you continue and your state say, during the time we were still in communication and I came down there to come and see you, the day the video leak. All right, let's talk about that now. And guys, if you want me to release that part there, I'll just post it because I have the recordings. Now, about meeting up at the hotel, yes, we did meet at the hotel, but on the terms of them trying to scam me. The girl that asking, like she don't know you're a part of it, thief. But the real truth is that you guys try to scam me $20,000 because your friend Nakima team up with you, Zine, for release the video. To be honest, she went ahead and team up with Shani to release the video before you even knew about it. Because on the day I called you, I was like, yo, what go on? Yo, I don't know. And Nakima do it and I was like, Nakima, so oh, she involved in your life when you told me, when I know for a fact that you guys follow, y'all wasn't talking, y'all wasn't friends. When you're here painting a picture as if we have this communication. Yo.
Hello?
Cassandra.
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Yes, so I feel like if I tell her to give me her phone after I give her the money, it could be more safer.
What do you mean?
Because what if I give her the money and then she just still do it, like still post it? So just to
oh, she go? No, she can't do that.
How she can't do that? How can you know that?
Oh, me know that. Nakima, and the other multiple things that you've done. And y'all, I saw the video y'all post. Somebody comment something under it, a long ass post. I screenshot it. And whoever made that post, they know you pretty well. Anyways, they tried to scam me $20,000. Now, the day of the video leak, guys, that's when I reach out to her. I'm going to say, yo, oh, the video leak. She tell me it was Nakima. I'm going to say, yo, Nakima, they know you tell me, say, the last time I know you, you're Nakima not talk, you're Nakima not friend. So how the hell you and Nakima turn back friend and you know tell me? That's for sure, say me and her in communicate on a consistent basis. So I didn't even know. You understand me? From the year start, I can tell you how much time we communicate. But anyways, them say them want $20,000. So them no link up back with Shani and give Shani nothing more. Now, I've already known the damages out there because you released the video. So you having more videos not gonna help it. And me telling you not to put it up. So I just say, you know what? I reach out to her. I say, all right, since I'm Nakima, prove it. You understand me? On the spot. I didn't give her time to hang up and call Nakima. I say, you three-way the call with her. She three-way the call. Nakima, why you do that? Girl, you wasn't going to let it expose him, so I go ahead and did it. And da-da-da-da.
But girl, like, come on now. You don't fuck about my image. Like, you don't care about my face. How people look at me.
Yeah, I do, but it's like I ain't expect that. Honestly, I ain't expect that.
What is it? Like, what made you use me? Like, come on now.
Honestly, it's just like you. So I was like, why not, expose him? You feel me? But I ain't know. Of course, I feel bad. I feel bad, yeah. But it's like he did you dirty. He did you dirty. And I respect you don't want to swallow too much shit or whatever, but so I did. So what's the problem? He can't be mad. I know he's not mad at you. He can't be mad at you because he
is mad at me. Girls trying to question me, talking about
all of that. But she's supposed to tell you why she want to do it. man.